So hello everyone. So welcome back to another short video. So today I want to explain to you about some new releases about Employee Central H1 2021 minor enhancements. Actually, if you see in my previous a video that I posted, there I was telling you about major enhancements. The most important one that I posted on my website. So about Employee Central H1 2021 release. But now I'm going to tell you some very interesting features that you will experience um, with the new enhancements within Employee Central application. So here, the points that I'm going to talk, anyone who is going to watch this video who has a good knowledge or experience in Employee Central, and he will be able to connect that every enhancement, that you'll feel it's so familiar, and I'm sure that you won't feel it like it's something new for you. Okay, so as you all know that from the H1 release 2021 for the year, so the preview release on 16th April 21, production release on May 21st 2021. Okay, so here in this presentation, I am only going to talk about minor enhancements only. I have already posted in my previous video about major enhancements in Employee Central application. So the first thing that I want to tell you is icon change in Manage Pending Hire. See, earlier, there is an indication that about the Manage Pending Hire is waiting for approval. Now it's a simple difference. The same icon also is existing now, but the basic difference is, now you look at the icon here, right? It is showing like a pending approval. So this is exactly how it looks like on a Manage Pending Hire page. And whenever you see this icon, there is something indicates that it's waiting for approval pending. Approval is absolutely pending. But actually how it actually looks earlier. So this is how it used to look like. And the text will always displays like is manage pending, in pending workflow. But now it is replaced with the icon. You can see the difference actually. Now it will say pending approval instead of pending workflow. And one more thing also, the indicator. So this is the latest one. This is the old one. Okay. So this is one of the minor enhancement you see now in the H1 2021 release. The second thing that I want to talk to you, that's why you can see the type is not new, it is a changed. It is changed to the existing one, and the feature is a pending hire in Employee Central system. Okay. Next, another enhancement that you will see in Employee Central. This is a country specific actually. This is for a country Poland. So here in a pick list center, you have so many master pick lists already available. But now from this enhancement of H1, you will see one of the pick list like a municipality underscore POL. POL stands for 3-letter standard ISO code. So please remember the last 3 digit is a country specific, a 3-letter standard ISO code. So now what SAP has done, SAP has changed the pick list municipality underscore POL by adding the new entries, deleting the some of the existing entries. So anyone who's watching this video and from anyone who is part of the Poland, country, any implementation for the country, any client in Poland country. So now you can observe if you have already implemented. So now this is one of the changed configuration you will see. That's why see here the type is equal to changed. It is not a new. The existing one, what SAP has done, they have added a new entries for the pick list municipality underscore poll and deleted some of the existing entries. Okay. Next one, another third enhancement, the minor enhancement is name format. Earlier, this name format switch, like a one-time activity, we have to enable it in the provisioning. But now, directly from Employee Central settings, you know, you can directly activate the name format switch directly from Admin Center instead of going to the provisioning. Okay, so if you have to understand, so you go to the Employee Central settings area in the Admin Center, and you can directly switch this if you are going to implement enable name format in Employee Central system. But before, if you have to enable, you need to go to the provisioning, and then you need to go and activate it via company settings. But now you don't need to go there. You can directly do it from Admin Center through Employee Central settings in Admin Center. Okay. Then another most important thing that I want to tell you all about a new enhancement is context switcher shows inactive label for inactive employment record. See, here you can see there is on the home page of the SuccessFactors system, beside to the username drop down, you can see there is a switch additional you could see now. Before it was not there. So this is called a context switcher shows, which shows here that when a user is going to log in, and he can view the multiple employment records such as concurrent employment, global assignment, and etc. So directly beside the username of the username drop down, you see this is called, beside that you will see the context switcher, and this is a new feature introduced for the first time in Employee Central system. Okay, and it is not a new, and it is not an existing one, it is a new one for the first time you will see in the system, and it is going to be available in the system from the H1 2021 from the preview release date and the production release date, depending upon the data centers who are accessing. Now, another most interesting feature that you will see from the H1 2021 release, the minor enhancement is people profile. When you go to the people profile, you see like different sections, like personal information section, employment information section. Okay, but now what you could see from this release, SAP has enhanced drop down options. You can see earlier it was only like you click on this live event, so it is like having a web responsive technique. Just click on it, it takes you to the corresponding a portlet or a page. But now you can click on the drop down and choose your corresponding option. Before a people profile introduced, we used to have a public profile. We also used to have when we used to click on a public profile, we used to find like a drop down option, similar kind of thing. You will see like a drop down here, so you are able to click on the drop down for the certain sections on the people profile, choose it, and then it's having a web responsive technique, and it takes you to the corresponding portlet. See, these are all some of the, there are a lot of other enhancements also SAP has released from the H1 of 2021 release. But the most important things that we come across in our Employee Central implementation, or in our experience, or maybe something anyone who is watching it, you are learning. These are all very important features. So this is how you need to upgrade yourself with the content which you already know, so that you are up to date, and so that you know the behavior of the system, which is Employee Central. So hope everyone got some idea, some new inputs from this session. So if you watch it, so again, understand, go to my website, refer to this, and try to update. Okay, thanks so much for watching my video. See you all again next time.